Gareth and Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the Sky Princess Deck 19, the Greens mini golf. We're just going to take a quick stroll down there on center court. We're playing pickleball and basketball simultaneously. It's a pretty big court. Anyway.
Where are we exactly?
Oh, yeah, we're in the middle of the ocean, somewhere between Norway and Belgium. We're in the North Sea. And now we're down on deck 18, Sky Deck. And this is the jogging track, and it just goes around there and then back around. So we're going to actually go back to all the way down to 17 now, and we'll come back up to 18 forward. 18 back here and 18 forward do not connect. The pools are in between. So now this is going to be deck 17, and over here on my right is the smoking area. So if you feel the urge to smoke, come here. That's the Wakeview pool down on 16. We'll come there in a minute. But first, we're going to walk through the fitness center. And these doors will slam. So here's the aft elevators and stairs. And this is the kids area. And this is the Platinum Studio. And outside there is the kids' outdoor play area, right next to the smoking area. They have a huge fitness center. We're gonna just take a quick spin through here. It's about 10:30 in the morning, so pretty much everybody's up, and some are exercising. It does have these rooms where they do the classes, and since we have the Princess Premier package, we get to do classes. But in 2 weeks, I think Janet went to 1 and I went to 0. So anyway, we're going to go back outside. Some of the doors around here are automatic, and some of them are not. So we're still on deck 17. Right above me is the jogging track where we just were. Now we're going to move out to the pool area. We're traveling forward on the starboard side, right side of the ship. Somebody's making a lot of noise on the jogging track. I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, so these are the sky pools, I think they call them. And there's a hot tub covered up. And there's more hot tubs up here uncovered, but nobody's in them. And like I said, it's 10:30 a.m. and it's sunny, not really warm, but it's surprising that more people aren't out here. That's Movies Under the Stars, of course, when the stars are out. Did you know that the stars are out 24/7, but we can't see them because of the sun? Our own star? Yeah. Okay, see, that's an automatic door. And it's opening for someone coming out. Now, this is deck 17 forward, and there are some cabins here. In fact, our cabin is right at the end of this hall, but we're not going to go down there. We're instead going to visit the retreat pool, adults only. You heard me, adults only. And it has the retreat bar. And absolutely nobody here. I don't know if I've ever seen this with nobody. Where is everybody today? It's a sea day. Like I said, it's a little bit warm. This is a retreat bar. More cabins on that side. Our cabin is right there. I'm gonna go up to 18 now. The home of the sanctuary. Here's some people. Now, this is where you have to pay to go in. Hi.
How are you?
I just want to go right here.
Yes, sir.
So there's the sanctuary. I don't want to disturb anybody.
You can come in the front. We can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get some water. Get your private cabana with headphones and a television. That's right. This is the only place on the ship where you can be in the front of the ship looking out. Every other place is blocked in some way, except for the crew, or if you have a front-facing, balcony or window. So that's the retreat. Sanctuary. The retreat is the pool. Adults only area. I don't know if sanctuary is adults only. I guess if a kid had 20 bucks, he gets in. Is this adults only too?
Excuse me, sir?
Is this area adults only?
Yes. No,
So if a kid has $40, you're not going to take it. Okay,
Thank you.
you have it there. Whoop. Let's cross over, retreat pool again. Sky Princess. The sanctuary goes all the way around to here. So you have to go in over there. So now we're going to go down from 18 to 17 to 16. Won't that be fun? So that door is not automatic. This door is automatic. Usually. I guess not. Thought it was. And in here. So we walked on 18, walked on 17. We're going to go down to 16 to pool level, Lido deck. And go through the buffet. Breakfast is just now wrapping up. Well, I guess not. It's got another half hour or so. So there are cabins forward on Lido deck 16. And automatic doors take you outside. So they've got these covered areas. We're actually outside, but no wind blowing here or whatever. This is Slice Pizzeria. It's included now. I mean, it always was. They didn't start charging, I guess is what I want to say. This is the mixed cocktail bar, not included. And this is Salty Dog Grill. Hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, also included. And so now we're down at pool level. And it's pretty busy down here. Not that busy. So we're going to see breakfast in the buffet. Breakfast. Is Janet still behind me? That's a sea view bar, I think. Oh. Let's walk over here to the sea view, just so you can sea view it. There, see, look down. Right? Same on the other side. That's like the thing with Royal Class ships. They have that. Swirls ice cream included, but soft serve. So now we're entering the buffet, World Fresh Marketplace. Like I say, we're nearing the end of breakfast service, but I think we're still going to see a lot of food. So this is closed now. If you're into specialty coffees, cappuccinos, lattes, right there where the big crowd is. And that's where you get your smoothies. Hopefully we'll get to walk by some food. Hi. Hello. And here we go at some food. I'm gonna go low. Not too low. Let's walk around the food. Lots of sausage and bacon, English bacon, which for my money is ham. But fish, smoked fish, fruit, lots of fruit, smoothies, omelet station. Hi. More food and more food. Sweet rolls, bread, potatoes, rice, vegan and vegetarian. Don't ask me what it is because I don't know. It's vegetarian. Automatic doors. Here's the menu for the Crown Grill. On the other side is the menu for Sabatini's. I don't see the menu for Rudy the cat. We've got these nice couches out here. We're actually outside again on deck 16. This is the Wakeview pool, which I showed you at the beginning. You can also get your coffee and orange juice out here. And the Wakeview bar. And there it is. And that's pretty much the top 3 decks. Right? So we're going to go right over here and sign out. So from the Sky Princess, see the jogging track, smoking area. I'm Gareth. You go.
This is Janet,
And I'm Gareth.
and we'll see you next quarter.
Bye.
Bye.